Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Jessica Quintana from Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I am 32 years old. I was born October 20, 1992. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 45 kilograms. I have already two kids, 5 years old and 9 years old. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and gardening. I already have work experience before in Malaysia as a domestic helper for 5 years, same employer, Chinese family. My job scope before, I serve 5 members in the family, boss, madam, and their 3 kids, ages 4 years old, 7 years old, and 10 years old. I do cooking, cleaning also, gardening, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and doing marketing. Before I end this video, I want to share with you a short song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Hope you like my song. And to all my future employer, I hope you take me as your helper because I am trustworthy, honest, and hardworking. I will do my best to do all my responsibilities and duties. Hope you take me as your helper because I want to save money for my family, especially for my 2 kids, for their good future. And I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong and work with you as your helper. Thank you and have a good day.